everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. We are here at Premier Orlando at the Celeb Luxury booth, and I'm here with my buddy Jesse. What is your full name and how do we follow you?
My name is Jesse Vera. I'm from El Paso, Texas, and my Instagram is JessR8.
All right, so cool. So we're here, and you've been doing a lot of fashion colors, and people ask us all the time, how do we keep our fashion colors alive? And you said you have 3 tips, so what are they?
Okay, so my first tip is start off with a really clear canvas, pre-lighting them as light as you can. My second tip would be use our Celeb Luxury home maintenance products, which is a color depositing shampoo and conditioner. And my third tip would probably say, can I move it to 4 tips?
You know what, you can do 5 because I'm going to have you elaborate on them. Well, you know what, we're going to go back and elaborate right now anyway. So when you say do a clean canvas, you pre-lift either highlights or the solid color, but what do you lift it to? What level?
I would say level 9 or 10 preferably, yeah.
All right, so 9 or
pastels, yeah.
Okay, and then when you put these either conditioners or shampoos in there, how long do you leave them in the hair?
I would do like 25 to 30 minutes.
Oh,
yes. Yeah, 25 to 30 minutes, and then of course cold water as well helps a lot.
All right, so if you're doing some kind of a color melt, how do you prevent them from blending so much that you lose the actual line of demarcation?
I always just try to blend it out really good using like some from our brushes or so, and then just keep nice saturated sections and a nice damp towel next to you to just be cleaning your hands right after.
Okay, so show me your favorite color. Come on over here. We're gonna go find your favorite color.
So my favorite color right now, I have a kick for yellow, which is a lot of people are scared to do, but this is probably my favorite color in the line right now. Our yellow color wash.
Why are people afraid to use it?
I don't know. People are really intimidated by yellow, which I think they should just go for it, you know? Yes.
Okay, and did you think of your other last tip? Like, what shampoo do you use when between? If she's not coloring her hair every single time, which one would you use?
Just the regular colors, sulfate-free shampoo. Yeah, sulfate-free shampoo.
This is so great. Have you had a good time here?
Yes, I'm so excited. It's my first time in Premier Orlando, so it's been such a good
time. It's such a
yeah,
great show.
Such a good
I know you're doing wonderful things.
Thank you
so
much.
again, thank you for giving us this time.
Thank you.